Good morning, children. Take page number 13. You can look on the screen here and we will learn this poem together and we will repeat it. Okay. So, I will first read the stanzas for you, then you can repeat along with me. So, Swar Geet, it's a song of vowels. Now, we can see here Gaiye or Dohraiye. Gaiye means to sing and repeat. Okay, Dohraiye, repeat. Now, let's see. अनार के लाल लाल मीठे मीठे है दाने. Can you repeat with me? Kindly look on the screen and read along with me. अनार के लाल लाल मीठे मीठे है दाने. Can we repeat it again? अनार के लाल लाल मीठे मीठे है दाने. That means what? Have you seen pomegranate? Here you can see how it looks like inside. It has red seeds, right? That's very sweet, no? So, it's talking about this red seeds of the pomegranate, which is very sweet. So, अनार के लाल लाल मीठे मीठे है दाने. Now, let's read the next one. रस से भरे आम लगे सब मिलकर खाने. Can you repeat along with me? रस से भरे आम लगे सब मिलकर खाने. या रिपीट. रस से भरे आम लगे सब मिलकर खाने. Okay, that means what? Have you seen mango? It's a juicy mango, right? It's very sweet also. So, all together sat and had the juicy mangoes. The poet is talking about the juicy mangoes which all are having it together. Now, इत्र की महक ले. Can you repeat? This word is इत्र. इत्र की महक. 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 ले. महक ले. रसीली ईख चूसते. Can you repeat with me? इत्र की महक ले. रसीली ईख चूसते. उपवन फलों से लदे. Can you repeat this again? इत्र की महक ले. रसीली ईख चूसते. That means what? It's perfume. They are talking about the smell of the perfume. Rasili eek. Eek we have learned, it's a sugar cane, right? Rasili means it's juicy. Again juicy. Sugar cane they were sucking. I mean juice of the sugar cane. The people were sucking the juice of the sugar cane. Chooste, sucking. Okay. Now let's see the next line. That's upwan falo se lade. Can you repeat with me? Upwan falo se lade. That means what? Garden is full of fruits. Every tree is full of fruits, different fruits, and that's a garden. Okay. Now let's see the next line. Upar upar hai latakte. Can you repeat with me this line? Upar upar hai latakte. Latakte. Okay. Upar upar hai latakte. Okay, so that means what? All the fruits were hanging from the top in the tree. On the tree, the fruits were hanging from the top. Okay, so you can see the fruits hanging and lots of fruits in the garden. Now, let's see, let's read this sentence, next stanza. That's एक दिन दादाजी आए ऐनक वोते पहने. Can we repeat this together? You can repeat with me. That's एक दिन दादाजी आए ऐनक वो थे पहने. ऐनक वो थे पहने. That means what? One day grandpa came. He is a grandpa. You can see the picture of the grandpa wearing a specs. That means he is wearing a glass, spectacles. So he came. Okay, you can see here. Let's read the next line. ओठ में मुन्नू छिप गया औरों के क्या कहने. Read with me along these lines. ओठ में मुन्नू, this is मुन्नू, छिप गया औरों के क्या कहने. Again I'll repeat. ओठ में, ओठ means lips, में मुन्नू छिप गया औरों के क्या कहने. That means the children were hiding from grandpa to give him a surprise. अंक में बच्चे माँ के प्रातः से ही है बैठे. I'll repeat this again children. Say it along with me. अंक में बच्चे माँ के प्रातः से ही है बैठे. Okay, that means what? You see children what they do early morning. Once they get up, they go to their mother, right, and they stand besides and they be with their mother, eating food and talking and everything, whatever other activities they are doing, they discuss with the mother and they do. So likewise, always mother gives first priority to whom? Children, right? So likewise here also she didn't disclose that they were hiding with whom? Grandpa, because grandpa came, so they were just preparing to surprise him, the children's. Okay, so this is the song about children. You can look into your reader, take page number 14. Okay, 14 you can see also one more activity which you all like to draw and color it, right? So let's see, one more activity is to fill the color. You can see fruits picture as well as flower, right? So you all have to color this. You know the color of pomegranate, mango, rose, as well as here it's a sun. So you can color it. Okay, this is another activity again. So by this children we have just finished our first chapter. As I've told you, you have to color all, you have to do the activities, that is coloring activity which you need to do today. As well as one more thing children I would like to tell you, page number 13, have you all taken? Right, we just now read the song, right, the vowel song. What you need to do here is you have to circle, draw a circle on the vowel which you can find here. From A until Aha we learned, right. So you have to circle. From the song you have to find the vowels, letters, and you have to circle those. Okay, that's another activity. So do it as a homework. So I hope children you all understood what you need to do for today. So do it as a homework, and the activities also do it separately, color it. Okay, so we will meet up in the next class with the new chapter. So till then, take care.